Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Welcome to this tutorial video. Today we did a model of the 4-point bending of a reinforced concrete with PET or PET foam as a core. You can see here we have also reinforcement as a steel bars in the concrete. Let me make this part instance, remove the concrete, see the steel bars here and here. Then let me click on this to check the concrete as the stress here. You can see this is the stress of the concrete and the deformation. And then we can check the uh, compression damage here. You can see tension damage fully. This is the tension, compression, and then plastic strain, stress, stiffness degradation, or anything regarding to this. Let me check it for the PET foam. This is the foam. You can see this foam can tolerate at least 90% deformation of the initial length. You can see here, and it can absorb energy very good. See the displacement. The displacement is about 10 centimeter, but no problem with this. It can tolerate that. Let me replace the other parts, for instance the steels, esters, or anything. And now let me draw the history of the reaction force for these two. Sum name is RF, displacement average name is U, then use operate, combine negative U, RF, negative, and plot it. And this is the force displacement diagram for this model. See, it is about 0.6 meganewton, and here after the 5 centimeter it reached zero value for the force. Okay, so if you need to model the concrete, PET foam, and the reinforcement under the 4-point bending, you can use this tutorial. For the concrete, we use modified concrete damage plasticity. For the foam, crushable foam model, and for the steel, elastic plastic material. And then you can provide it here. See, this is our website, abaqusfm.com. Find the English tutorial here. Click on the title of blue sign. Then you will have this title, definition of the geometries, introduction of the material model, load interactions, and then the result as figures you can see here. The cost for the C INP English video file and reference paper for the material is 26 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, contact me to this email. Also, we have a full package here containing more than 400 tutorials about all aspects of simulation and modeling in Abaqus. You can read the main titles here and the subtitles inside these main titles here. Each main titles contained maybe 20 or 30 tutorials as the subtitles here. For instance, for the high and low velocity impact, we have that for any materials. You can see it here, composites or the other materials, welding, biomechanics, forming, and the others you can read here. And the cost of this full package is 230 euros for now. And each file contains CAINP, step-by-step English video, reference for material or papers. And if you need this full package to be mastered in modeling and simulation, contact me again to this email. Thank you for your attention.